In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make payment voucher in QuickBooks Online. Think of a payment voucher as the record that shows which bill you paid, how you paid it, and when. In QuickBooks Online, this lives inside the bill payment, and the remittance advice you send to a vendor acts as the voucher you can share. This walkthrough assumes you've already recorded the bill and its payment, and now you want a clear, shareable proof of payment. Start by going to QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and click on Expenses. This area is your home base for anything related to spending, bills, expenses, vendors, and most importantly for today, your bill payments. Inside Expenses, move into Expense Transactions. This view lists all your expense-related activity in one place. You'll see items like bills, expenses, and bill payments. If you have a lot of entries, consider using the filters at the top to narrow it down by transaction type to bill payments or sort by date to find the most recent payment. The goal is to quickly locate the specific payment that corresponds to the voucher you want to produce. Once you've found it, click on Bill Payment to open the transaction. This is the detailed record that functions as your payment voucher. Take a moment to review the key fields: the vendor name, the bank or credit card account used, the payment date, the payment method, and the reference number if applicable. You'll also see the bill or bills that were cleared by this payment. Verifying these details now ensures the voucher matches your books and what the vendor expects to receive. When everything looks correct, select the bill payment you want, then click on Send Remittance. This option generates and emails a remittance advice to the vendor showing exactly what you paid and which bills were covered. It's a professional, concise proof of payment that vendors recognize. Before sending, you can usually review the email content and confirm the recipient. Make sure the vendor's email is accurate and that the message clearly references the relevant invoice numbers for clarity. After sending, you'll see confirmation that the remittance went out. Keep in mind, the bill payment record you just reviewed is your internal voucher, while the remittance is the external document you share. Together, they give you a complete, auditable trail for the payment. That's all there is to it: simple, reliable, and neatly documented within QuickBooks Online.